Living in the Philippines means beautiful beaches, but it also means typhoons, heavy rains, and intense humidity. All that water can cause serious damage to your home if you're not prepared. So, how do you protect your biggest investment? Here's your complete, practical guide to waterproofing your Filipino home, from top to bottom. First up, the best time to waterproof is during the design stage. Before you even build, make sure your architect plans for a proper roof slope for quick water runoff, good drainage systems like gutters, and adequate overhangs to shield your walls. Elevating your house even just slightly above the street can save you from a world of flooding headaches. Remember, prevention is always cheaper than repair. Your roof is your home's first line of defense. For common GI sheet roofs, seal every joint, screw, and overlap with a quality butyl or silicone sealant. Then, coat the entire surface with an elastomeric waterproof paint like Boyson Roof Guard or Davies Sun and Rain. If you have a concrete roof deck, never leave it bare. Concrete will always crack and leak. Apply a cementitious waterproofing membrane first, then finish it with a UV-resistant top coat. And most importantly, ensure it has at least a 2% slope towards a drain. Next, let's talk about the wettest areas inside your house, the bathrooms. The biggest mistake people make is waterproofing asterisk after asterisk tiling. The correct way is to apply a waterproofing membrane asterisk before asterisk you install the tiles. Once the tiles are in, use a tile grout sealer and seal all corners and joints with silicone. A slight slope towards the floor drain is non-negotiable. Don't forget your exterior walls. They take a beating from wind-driven rain. Use a dedicated elastomeric exterior paint like Boyson Acrotex, not just any ordinary latex paint. Before you paint, fill any cracks with a flexible sealant. A fresh coat every 5 to 7 years will keep your home's shield strong. The same rules apply to balconies and terraces. Use a tulle membrane system. Ensure a proper slope, and keep those drains clear. Even the smallest gaps can cause big problems. Go around your windows and doors and apply a weather sealant like silicone. Check these seals annually, especially right before the rainy season hits. And finally, control moisture inside your home. Use mold-resistant paint in kitchens and bathrooms. Ensure good ventilation with exhaust fans, and consider a dehumidifier for enclosed spaces. Investing in proper waterproofing isn't an expense. It's a smart decision that protects your home and gives you peace of mind for years to come. Do it right once, and you won't have to worry every time the clouds turn gray. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement tips. Stay safe and dry.